Hi there! Today I will tell you about my LG semi-automatic washing machine that makes my life easy and keeps my clothes clean. LG's powerful central roller jet pulsator, accompanied by smaller pulsators, creates a dynamic motion that generates sufficient friction for effective dirt, dust and mite removal, guaranteeing cleaner clothes with every wash, while being gentle on the clothes too. With LG, you enjoy complete peace of mind. Your LG washing machine stays protected from rats thanks to a 3 mm thick plastic cover with the rat repellent chemical. Now you can breathe worry-free. You know what's great? LG semi-automatic washing machines come with a 5-star rating. So they use less electricity, save energy and help you also save more while spending less. So show your clothes some love and bring home LG semi-automatic washing machine. Your clothes will thank you for that.